Hello children, today I am going to give you some diagrams related to the chapter climate from geography class 10 in ICSE, and this chapter is included in class 9 in CBSE. So here I have given the diagrams that are related to the chapter. Diagram is a very important part of geography, and this makes an answer more complete. If a diagram is provided with the answer, it fetches you more marks, and you get to write a more comprehensive answer. So over here, see, I have shown the reversal of wind system, how the monsoon winds during the summer they move from sea to land, and during the retreating monsoon period they move from land to sea. So the onshore and the offshore winds. Next, there are the factors which affect the Indian climate. So first one is the latitude. So I have shown the sun, which gives the slanting rays on the poles and direct rays on the equator and the tropics. So this diagram will be appropriate for showing the effect of latitude. Then there is the role of the Himalayas. So how the monsoon winds are being blocked by the Himalayas, and the cold winds from the Mediterranean is also being blocked by the Himalayas. So this diagram is appropriate for this part. Then the influence of the water bodies, how during the daytime the air moves from the high pressure region of sea to the low pressure region of land, and how during the night time there is high pressure over the land and the low pressure of the sea. So there is a reversal of the wind, and the impact of the monsoon winds is shown. This is a complete diagram where I have shown how the intertropical convergence zone shifts and how the sun is giving more direct rays over the tropics, due to which the heating of the third desert occurs and low pressure develops, which pulls the southeast trade winds from the southern hemisphere, and they follow the Ferrell's law and become the southwest monsoon winds and enter India. So this is a complete diagram of how the occurrence of monsoon takes place. And below I have also shown how the sun rays affect the tropical region. Okay, now we will move on to the next diagram. Here I have shown how the reversal of monsoon, and how the winds that were moving towards the land now moves towards the sea, and the western disturbance which occurs in the Mediterranean Sea gets deflected into two parts and enters India, and also the cold Siberian winds from the northeastern part entering India. Then in the fifth part I have shown the presence of other relief features, the Aravalli Hills, the Western Ghat, the Eastern Ghat, and the Meghalaya Plateau, the Himalayas, how they are affecting the climate takes place. Next, over here you can see the altitude and the lapse rate, how due to rise in altitude the temperature is changing. So up next is the upper air circulation, that is the jet stream that is being divided into westerly and easterly part, and it is entering India and also responsible for tropical depression. And the last one is the El Nino effect, which is caused in the Pacific Ocean, okay, off the coast of Peru, and which causes the wind to get deflected towards this low pressure, as it causes the warming up of the ocean, and hence the low pressure gets divided, and we see that the wind gets deflected towards this Pacific Ocean, and hence we have a weak monsoon in India. So children, these are very small short hand drawn diagrams which you can incorporate in your answer when you are writing the answers of the climate chapter. It can fetch you more marks. So if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you think that the information was useful for you, then give a like, and please comment if you have any other requirement. And in the next video I'll be giving some more diagrams on the climate chapter. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.